Hello crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. I found these cute cards at Michael's and they're Caticorn cards. So I decided to create a TN out of this one. And here I'm going to show you what I did. So I placed the card onto the scoreboard and I followed the crease as my center guide, and I added a 1/4 inch score to the left and a 1/4 inch score to the right. Now you will fold each side, and for that rounded corner I'm using my round corner puncher. This is an optional step. I really like the way it looks, so that's why I'm going to just punch all 4 sides. In this step I will add this to a lamination sheet. I'm using a thickness of 5 mil, and I'm going to put 2 twist sheets so I can maximize the use of the lamination sheet. You will put the sheet into your laminating machine, and once it's done you will cut it down and remove all the excess with a paper trimmer. Again, I'm going to round those corners. In this step, I'm using a dry erase marker and I'm measuring the bottom. It's about a 1/4 inch, and I'm just going to gauge where I'm going to cut the 2 holes, and also the same in the top. It's about a 1/4 inch in length, and in the center is going to be pretty much just halfway. So you measure the halfway mark and you put a dot with a dry erase marker. For the elastic, I'm using 1.5 millimeter in its gold color. You would just have to go from outside, inside, back into outside, and then back inside, just like I'm showing you on the video. The 2 elastic cords will meet and you will tie it nice and tight, but not too tight that you can't put an insert in. For the center, I just measure it and gauge it, and I cut enough elastic and I tie a knot, and it's ready to be enclosed. And for the inserts, I'm going to use these mini composition books I located at the local Dollar Tree store. They are a perfect size, and then I'm going to use some of Reflections paper I found at Michael's. For the page marker, I'm going to use my Project Life journal cards, and I'm just going to create a pocket. So I'm going to cut one in half and glue it onto the other half of the card. Since it's a page marker, I'm going to add a sticker to the center, and next I'm going to laminate. I am done lining, so now I'm just going to cut as much as I can and get ready for the next step. Since I wanted this to have a pocket, I cut with an X-Acto knife very carefully and added 2 stickers. I absolutely love the way this came out. If you like what you see so far, why don't you give this video a like? Next, I'm going to use a binder clip, and this would be the pen holder. I love the way it says "Dream Big." Since this TN is pretty small, I did want to add some pockets to it, and I found these cute little envelopes which I cut to size, and I'm going to glue it down with my score tape. And these are perfect fits for those journal cards you want to include in your TN. And now for the final flip through. I absolutely love this Caticorn. Oh, it's the expression that really captures my heart. Here you can see that I've included, again, the pocket envelopes, as well as my page marker, some cute paper clips, girl power, a pom-pom paper clip, and some journal cards in the back, and also in the front. So I hope you truly enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this inspires you to make a TN of your own. Hey, you could make it out of a card, and just about anything you can think of. Well, thanks for spending your time with me today, and God bless, and don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, bye-bye.